Welcome to our presentation on AI agents and their types. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and the various agents that operate within it. Artificial intelligence encompasses a broad range of technologies, including machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and generative AI. Each of these areas contributes to the development and functionality of AI agents. AI agents are virtual assistants powered by artificial intelligence. They automate processes, generate insights, and optimize performance, acting as employees or partners to help achieve goals. There are several types of AI agents, including simple reflex, model-based reflex, goal-based, utility-based, and learning agents. Each type has unique characteristics and applications. A simple reflex agent follows predefined rules to make decisions. It responds only to the current situation without considering past or future ramifications. Model-based reflex agents perform actions based on a current percept and an internal state representing the unobservable world. This allows them to consider how the world evolves over time. Goal-based agents use information from their environment to achieve specific goals. They employ search algorithms to find the most efficient path towards their objectives. Utility-based agents make decisions based on maximizing a utility function or value. They choose actions that yield the highest expected utility, measuring how good the outcome is. Learning agents can learn from past experiences and improve their performance. They start with basic knowledge and adapt automatically through machine learning.